This is an update to the instructions I made for importing your class list into your D2L shell. So, because I realized I made a mistake. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this email file that I will or have sent you already. And we're going to, what we're going to do is we're just going to select this column, the student ID columns, and I'm going to copy that. And then I'm actually going to go to a new document. Takes a little long time. And when I get to this document, I'm going to paste that column. And then I'm going to write in the second column, this is the change that from the other video I made. I'm going to write dash student dash. And then I'm going to take that little square and I'm going to stretch it all the way down to the bottom here, to the last student ID. Okay, when I can grab it. So this, yeah, it's thinking it's a formula. So what I have to do is I have to exit out of that. I actually have to say, I have to tell it that this is just text. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to go to format cell. The dashes are making it seem like a formula, so I'm just going to click text. It's only text, what I write in this box. So then I can write student, the dash at either end. And then I'm going to drag that little square and I'm going to drag it down here. And for some reason, it's still not doing it. Try again. Okay. Now I click out of there and then click back on it. And it will appear there. Now I'm going to just save this. I'm going to call it D2L upload. I'm going to save it to my desktop. There it is, appeared on my desktop. Now I'm going to go to my D2L shell, which I believe I need to log in. Waiting for it to log in here. Okay, I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go to Classlist. I'm actually uploading Darlene's class list right now. Click on Classlist. Because I'm recording, my screen isn't as responsive, so it's taking a little longer. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add participants. So I clicked on my class list. Add participants from a file on my computer. And then it's going to ask me where that file is. And I know it's on my desktop, so I'll just wait for my desktop to show up. Just click on my desktop over here. Click on the D2L upload file. Oh! I just remembered that this file needs to be, again I made a mistake. I need to save as, and I need to save it as a CSV file, which is basically like a text file. Click Save. So now I'm going to have another file on my desktop. I have to go back here, and it's going to arrive here in a second. It's making sure I want to save it as that. Now I'll go back to the browser, and there it is, the second one. Is that the one at the top? I know that the second one looks like an Excel file. I'm going to open that, and I'm going to, it should show up here, there it is. I'm going to say import. And it's working this time. And there's her class list imported into D2L. And that took all of 6 minutes with mistakes. Have fun, hope that helps.